Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
The 5 stages of pen testing, penetration testing, are 1. Planning and reconnaissance, defining the scope and gathering intelligence. 2. Scanning, understanding how the target application will respond to various intrusion attempts. 3. Gaining access, web application attacks, for instance, to uncover vulnerabilities. 4. Maintaining access, ensuring a persistent presence within the exploited system to gather as much information as possible. 5. Analysis and WAF configuration, compiling results, analyzing the data, and configuring web application firewalls based on the findings.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.